Good time to all. I am also fine. Now I am sharing with everyone for about my mother. My mother's name is Momena Akhtar. She is a housewife. She has completed her education level. When my mother very angry, she hate me, and when my mother very happy, she loves me. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm too much excited for this presentation because today I'm talk about my country. My country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a wonderful country. It located in South Asia. Bangladesh is very beautiful, and Bangladesh is independent city and all country. Bangladesh country city is Dhaka city, and its currency is Bangla Taka, and it independent in 1971. The population of Bangladesh is 170 million people, huge people in our country. If we compare our land, the people is lot. It's very difficult for us, and our country based on our agriculture. Every people do agriculture. If we see our past, and our all family member doing agriculture, and our family member grow jug and rice, etc., and vegetable. It is our main earning source. Right now we develop our country, that's why our main earning source is garment sector. Every people work garments. It's polluted our country. I think our past is very good because then we are doing our agriculture. It's give health our land, and we lead a very perfect life. Right now we doing garments. It's polluted our air, polluted our water. Right now we suffer for this, and there are very beautiful place in our Bangladesh. Bangladesh has largest sea beach in Cox's Bazar. It's a natural sea beach, and our Bangladesh has a longest forest is a mangrove forest. It said by our international and still about international organization, and it's a home of Royal Bengal tiger. If you cannot see without our Bangladesh Royal Bengal tiger, it's only of our property. And right now Bangladesh suffer for very much for our Bangopsagar because it's destroy our land very much. Day by day our water level is very increasing. Also, I'm very thoughtful about my country, and I wanted to save my country. And every people love her motherland, and I am also love my motherland. And in conclusion, I want to say